So you join me at the car wash. Just had the rear tyres replaced at Kwikfit. Quick. I went in there and I pre-ordered and paid for the tyres. Went into Kwikfit. Oh yes, we do that as quick as I can. Probably an hour and a half. I've seen them do it on the drive. It takes 20 minutes. And it did take 20 minutes, although I was there for an hour and a half, because they do one job, like if for instance, he'll put the cars on the ramp, then they'll go and do something else. Then he'll come back, take the tyres off, wheels off, and then go and do something else and disappear for like 10 minutes. Anyway, that's done at an extreme cost. In fact, the bloke who was in after me, he was having his tyres done. He was having 2 tyres done, and the guy said to him, "Oh, can you come and have a look at the other tyres, sir?" Anyway, he was then having 4 tyres replaced, and his 4 tyres were cheaper than my 2. There's a moral there. And also, so much upselling. The reason they're so slow is because they're trying to upsell every single thing. I got 2 tyres done. "Oh, sir, can we interest you in extended warranty, accidental ripper damage, blah blah"? No, just do my tyres. I want to go. I'm in the car wash. Am I moaning a lot? I'm in the car. Actually, I'm feeling a bit moany today because the world has it's not me, it's the world that's completely bonkers, honestly. So the pitch we're on, under a tree. I know, worst mistake. Pigeons are crapped all over the car. I'll show you. Some the other side as well. Brave filming in public. So I'm hoping this car wash might be able to get it off. I don't have much, honestly, I don't hold much hope, but it might do. But of course then I'm going to have to go back and park under the tree again. But we're leaving site tomorrow, so I've got to do it today. Car wash, shopping, relaxing, packing away a bit. This morning it rained. Yesterday 26 degrees. Today woke up to rain. You know, it's like, well, maybe you don't know what it's like, but we've got the canopy up and we leave, like, I don't know, bits and pieces in the under the canopy, and we left a table outside with a teppanyaki on. Rained. Table soaked. And these tables today, they aren't made how they used to be, are they? The top is cardboard with some kind of laminate. What do they call it? Formica, maybe. Formica. Do you remember that? Formica kitchens. Anyway, I think I might need to go in a car wash now, because the guy in front seems to have finished. Oh, another thing. Filled up with petrol, went in to buy me car park ticket, came out. As I came out, this guy in front of me had parked where I'm parked now, in front of the car wash. Went in and got a ticket. No, get your ticket first, then join the queue. Did I say anything? No, I didn't, because it's unreasonable. Right, this guy's car's just been dried, so I'll see you when we're in the car wash. Interested, machine fault, not in use, but I've just seen it being used. Seems to be working. See that? It had a machine fault, machine not in use. I saw the bloke in front of me use it, so psychedelic, man. Is this good content? Is it quality caravan vlogging, quality car wash vlogging? Oh, I like the lights, man. It's like being in a Bailey. Nobody should get this much enjoyment out of a car wash. I did one a little while ago, and because this car's so wide, I didn't get it quite in between the two things, so halfway through the machine stopped. Error, boop, boop, boop. I had to go into the shop and say, woman came out, "We didn't park that very well, have you?" No, I hadn't, but I didn't notice. I was on the 2 guide rails that come through. Now hopefully I get that bird shit off there. Otherwise I'll be in there for a refund. No, I won't. Bird mark's still there. Hopefully it's softened it up for the next run. I do like the lights. Actually, whilst I'm in the car wash and it's gone a bit quiet, thanks to everyone for joining Talk Wrench community. We just reached 100 members the other day, so that's fantastic. There will be a link in the description, of course. Think about joining it. You might enjoy it. 2 weeks free trial if you don't like it. 2 weeks. Over 80% of people that take the 2 week trial convert into normal members. So there you go. That says buckets. Is that even a saying? That speaks buckets. That speaks volumes of the community. And thanks everybody again, and long may it continue. When I was using the pump diesel, no gloves, got it all over my hands. It stinks. Right, try again. Come on. I tell you what, that doesn't bode well for the rest of the bird muck, does it? I might have to go out there with like a credit card or something, you know, just to scrape it off. The thing is, I've got all diesel over my hands and now I'm getting itches and I'm going to get... As I'm an international caravan vlogger, I went for a premium car wash, so now it's going to dry it, so it's just going to bake that bird shit on probably. I don't like that turning as you're coming out of there. Can you see it? I'm not going to be able to get around there. There's a bollard there. There's a bollard there, and that's just like a 90-degree turn. Go away. I know some people, I don't think Caravan Club will think highly of me if I wash my car on the pitch. They've got enough rules, no doubt that's one of them. Just looking for a thumbnail. Did I survive the car wash? I think I have. And that's probably going to be it for this vlog, unless something happens to the car between now and that finishing. I won't film me getting out because I'm going to need both hands on the steering wheel. Anyway, car wash vlogger. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Look at that. Absolute bullshit. Bird shit, bird shit, bird shit, bird shit. All still there. Although it is kind of like, I'll have to do that when I get home. Might come off on the drive back, you never know. That's shit, isn't it? I mean, that's another thing. Countries go into pot, even the car washes don't work properly. See you in the next one. This is quality caravan vlogging.